you could live without me. Thinking you could live without me. Maybe I'm the one.
Nothing no there for thief, you know that?
Right.
Nothing, you know?
I think man, look where breadfruit man.
Go ahead, I mean, want like bike and car and them sit there.
What TV you be out?
Nobody now, nobody now.
You never hear about that man?
Yo, right now, you least the opportunity to get me gone.
And then we'll go dead.
And teach some
First thing you get people say me don't know you.
Yo, thank you. You see, bring me the phone. You want to teach man, God.
People, we all be a week.
Brother, stop it, because you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense, like me, I show.
People, we all be a week.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you? What's it here?
Nothing can go so better.
What are you?
Nothing can go. You're mad, man.
Obi, I'm not good thing, you know? Obi, I'm not good. Obi, I'm good thing.
Everything good, man.
Everything good, man. You them all right.
Yeah, man.
You them.
Yo, brother. We can't eat that now. We can't. But yo, yeah, me have a plan. Uno goat. No, uno goat. Me a grown. Yeah, man. No, can't. No, can't. No. Uno boy. Galang. Galang. Look at me. You're grown. Nah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, man. Little boy. Yeah.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
Hold on, come on, bro. You don't know say. You don't know say.
Yo, put on mobile stop.
Yo, how is it? Oh, you don't know say it's a man and you feel like you don't wash thing. You see me? You feel like you don't wash a bike.
What's that? So yeah.
Yeah, how do you mean what?
Yeah,
We are carrying yourself to wash in the. You know what you
no,
mean?
watch it.
Yeah, wash man. I go for your book.
Stand up. Me go for you. Stand up.
Take, go.
Don't move.
Me nah move. Go for your book.
Yo, see bucket there.
How about it?
Yo,
Next
time, brother.
No, man. Bass.
Rocky, don't get you. Beat him.
Yeah, you don't know see a king potty anything up. Yeah, man. So you me I say me I go want to know if you link up with that thing. You see me, King Benji. Yeah, me I go want to know if you subscribe, brother. Yeah, and me I go want to know if you give man a like. You say if you not give man a like, you know go pretty. Alright. I don't know only like you know, I want to know comment, you know, brother. Cause you know how to comment, cause if you no comment, you not gonna know what take place. So you see me, just link up with that thing, man.